So students, as you can see, this is the same presentation which we made in our previous video. So today we will learn how can we apply animations effect in our PowerPoint presentation. So as you can see, this is the same presentation. So first I am going to change the color of this presentation so that you can easily see all the content. Now it is visible. So this is the same presentation. So to apply animation effect, you just have to click on this tab. This is our animation tab. By clicking on this tab, you can see some options like entrance effect, emphasis effect and exit effect. So we are unable to click on these options. So to click on the option, firstly we have to select any object. Now what is the meaning of object? Object means any photo, any video or any text which we are using in our presentation. So as you can see, the computer is a object. So after clicking on the computer, you can see now all the options are available to click. So we have three types of animation effects: entrance, emphasis and exit. So we will discuss all the three one by one. So as you can see, entrance effect, we have many different type of effects, so you can select anyone according to your requirement. As you can see, this is a bouncing effect, so I'm going to select this effect for our computer. This is our title computer. So second one is definition of computer. So definition of computer, we will apply the emphasis effect on this title. So you can apply anyone. Color, now this is our third slide. So we will apply the exit effect on third slide. I am applying all the animations effect one by one, so you can easily see the difference between all the three effects. So now we have to click on slideshow tab, and after clicking on slideshow tab, you have to click on the from beginning. I already told you about both the options, from beginning and from current slide. So we will click on from beginning. So as you can see, we don't have our title here. So if you want to see your title, so you have to just click by your mouse, or you can simply press any key, enter key or arrow key in your keyboard. So let's click. So as you can see, this was the entrance effect. So the computer enters with the help of enter effect. Second one was our emphasis. So as you can see, the text is already written on the second slide, while our first slide was completely blank. After clicking, the computer word entered, but in the second slide, all the things which we write already written. So let's try how the emphasis effect will work. So as you can see, firstly we click on the enter key, so our first emphasis effect work. Now let's try again. So as you can see, emphasis effect works on the same page at the same time, at the running time. So it means the entrance effect is used to enter any object. Emphasis effect is used to work on the same time, and the third one was exit effect. So as you can see, text is already available in our third slide also. So if we click the enter button, the text will exit. Now let's again click on the enter button. The second tag will also exit. So these are our three animations effects which you can use in your PowerPoint presentation according to your requirement. So I hope it's clear. In next video we will learn how can we apply a transition effect on our slides. So that is it for today. Thank you so much, students.